at this top, we should go around, introduce ourselves, and say your favorite season and why. So I'm Emily. My favorite season is summer because I just like when it's hot.
I have two. Mine's summer and fall. Summer because it's hot, fall because it's hunting season. That's about it.
My name is Vanessa. My favorite season is spring because of the flowers and stuff, and my second favorite is fall because of the change of leaves.
My name is Carson, and I like summer. I like being tan and it being warm, but I think my favorite is fall. I just like the weather.
I'm Cameron. I like fall because of the leaves.
I'm Ashley. My favorite season is the summer because I like the beach.
I'm Dominique. My favorite season is the spring because I like when it's not too hot but it's still warm.
I'm Natalie. My favorite season is summer because I can't stand the cold. And my second favorite is fall because I was born in fall.
Okay, so the reason I started with that is because we're going to be talking about the reason for the seasons today. And so you're going to kind of figure out why it is your favorite season gets to come around each year. So I'm going to start by passing out the probe. Alright, I'm going to read the first part and then I'm going to go around and ask if each of you could read what each person says. 6 friends were talking. They each had different ideas about why it is warmer in the summer than it is in the winter. This is what they said.
It's because the winter clouds block heat from the sun.
It's because the sun gives off more heat in the summer than in the winter.
It's because Earth's tilt changes the angle of sunlight hitting Earth.
It's because the Earth orbits closer to the sun in the summer than in the winter.
It's because one side of Earth faces the sun and the other side faces away.
It's because the northern hemisphere is closer to the sun in summer than in winter.
Okay, so which friend do you most agree with? So I'll give you guys a couple minutes to think. If you want to do it in groups, you can. If you want to do it individually, you can. It's up to you.
Trying to think like a 3rd grader.
When you're done, just put your pen down so I know that we're ready to move on.
Sorry.
That's fine. Okay, so we're going to go around. Each person's going to put what they put and why. And we're going to see, like, compare and contrast what everyone thinks.
I put Ava because it's hotter in the summer.
Okay.
I said Ava too. Same reason.
Because it's hotter in the summer. And Ava said,
That is because the sun gives off more heat in the summer.
why do you think the sun would give off more heat in the summer than the winter? Okay. Well, just start thinking about it until we're ready.
I put Fernando because the sun and Earth are always moving.
Okay. Do you think that the Earth is closer to the sun in the summer?
Yes.
You do? Okay. Go ahead.
I said Werner because it's always cloudy in the winter and it's like never cloudy during summer.
Okay. I can see that.
I said Raul, I guess that's his name. And I said because the Earth tilts and that's how much sun is there.
I said the same thing.
Okay.
I said Susan because I remember learning that when it's summer here, it's winter on the other side.
Yeah. Okay. Good prediction, everyone. So before we do our model, get into groups, 3 and 3 or 3 and 4, whatever works the best. I'm gonna scratch. Sorry. And we're just gonna, in your groups, try to write anything that you know about the earth and the sun and their relationships with each other. So like, anything you know, anything that comes to mind.
What are we writing?
Anything about the earth and sun that you already know and their relationship together. Anything.
The sun is hot. It's really bright.
You gave me a non-working marker, teacher.
Sorry.
Is bright.
Yeah.
That heats the earth.
Nothing lives on the sun.
The sun goes away at night, maybe. We're just talking about the sun.
Try to maybe think about any characteristics about either the sun or the earth that would change how one would affect the other. Just anything that comes to mind. Nothing's wrong, we're just making predictions.
The earth goes around the sun.
My handwriting's so
The sun is very
It's like writing a name right there. Sunlight's
Try to keep in mind like what it would do with the seasons. Its relationship.
sun
I'll
makes
give you
summer
about one more
hotter.
minute and we'll share what we put and then we're going to do a model activity.
I know like the earth, like you said it was tilted, but like the way that's moving, it's like where it was on the back side wasn't hitting straight. Like the sun's like rotating around and around, the earth is a huge.
Okay, about 30 more seconds.
Anything else?
The sun kills the leaves in fall.
I'm a third grader. That word's not supposed to be used.
Okay, so if you guys want to start out sharing what you put.
The sun is hot.
The sun is bright.
The sun heats the earth.
The sun goes away at night.
Earth goes around the sun.
Okay.
Sun will make summer hotter.
And the sun kills the leaves in the fall.
So why would the sun make summer hotter? Isn't the sun always there?
It looks brighter in summer.
Does it? Okay.
Yeah, because there's no clouds in summer.
Okay. So we're getting somewhere. What did you guys put?
The earth orbits the sun.
The earth orbits
Nothing lives on the sun.
Earth is tilted on an axis.
Okay.
The sun is very hot,
The sun casts light on earth.
It's colder in the winter.
and the sun goes away at night.
Okay. All right.
Copycat.
So want to clear your boards. I'm going to do 2 separate models, but they're the same thing. I just thought one might help you see it a little bit more better than the other one.
I think you need to turn off any lights for free.
Okay.
Freak everybody out. Keep going.
That made it dark.
Keep going.
Okay, so while I do this, I want you to like make observations. This is the northern hemisphere, this is the southern hemisphere. I want you to, it won't be perfect each time because it's hard for me to get the exact measurements, but focus where the light hits the most. Does that make sense? So this is the sun. It's kind of a really bright flashlight, but kind of needed to be. This is the sun. This is our representation of the earth. This line is the equator. And this is, it's from north to south pole. But the thing about the earth